Thomas Harland, born in 1735 in England, is celebrated as America's first professional watchmaker, establishing his renowned workshop in Norwich, Connecticut in 1773. Harland immigrated to the American colonies during a time when most timepieces were imported from Europe. His decision to settle in Norwich reflected both his ambition and the opportunity to bring his horological expertise to a new market where skilled artisans in this field were virtually non-existent. Harland's work was defined by his ability to adapt European techniques to the resources available in the colonies. He crafted both tall case clocks and pocket watches by hand, producing high-quality, reliable timepieces that were prized among the colonial elite. His tall case clocks, often ornately designed, were a testament to his craftsmanship and precision. These clocks not only told time, but also served as status symbols in affluent homes. The period during which Harland worked was fraught with challenges. The Revolutionary War, which broke out shortly after he established his business, disrupted trade and created shortages of essential materials. Despite these difficulties, Harland continued to produce timepieces, relying on resourcefulness and the support of local artisans. While his operation remained relatively small, his work filled an important niche in a market dominated by European imports. Unlike later American watchmakers, Harland did not operate in an industrialized context. Each piece he made was handcrafted, reflecting the artisanal nature of watchmaking during the 18th century. His workshop also served as a training ground for apprentices, ensuring that his knowledge and skills would not be lost. Though there is limited documentation about the specific contributions of those he trained. Harland's role in American watchmaking was foundational rather than revolutionary. While he did not invent new mechanisms or establish large-scale production, his work demonstrated that horological craftsmanship could thrive in the colonies. His clocks and watches, some of which survive today, are valued as rare examples of early American timepieces. They reflect a blend of European tradition and colonial ingenuity that defined Harland's career. Thomas Harland's story is one of perseverance and dedication. As the earliest professional watchmaker in America, he laid the groundwork for future developments in horology. Although his direct influence on the industrialization of American watchmaking is limited, his contributions represent an important chapter in the history of craftsmanship in the United States. Harland's legacy lives on in the surviving timepieces that bear his name, reminding us of a time when every tick of the clock was a testament to the skill and care of a master craftsman.